What is lucky building? It refers to overly relying on luck and visualization to achieve goals, while neglecting concrete planning and action. This, in fact, can foster a false sense of progress, leading to procrastination, demotivation, and failure to reach intended goals. It creates a disconnect between dreams and reality. On the other hand, persistence and greed are more reliable predictors of success than just raw talent or intelligence. As the quote says, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. While positive thinking and visualization can be very beneficial, they should complement and not replace action. An ideal approach involves breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and timelines, then working through them. It's about steady progress through strategy and effort, not just wishing upon a star. While in summary, successful achieving goals requires a balance between hopeful thinking and pragmatic action.